Ever wondered if that One4All gift card burning a hole in your pocket can finally unlock some PlayStation gaming goodies? First, power up your PlayStation 4 and navigate to the PlayStation Store. You'll find it on the main menu, usually represented by a shopping bag icon. Once you're in the store, scroll all the way down on the left-hand side menu until you find the Redeem Codes option. It's typically located near the bottom. Now, carefully scratch off the security coding on the back of your One4All gift card to reveal the 12-digit code. Note that One4All gift card won't work directly in the PS Store, so skip to the next image. Since you can't directly redeem a One4All card on PSN, you need to use it to purchase a PlayStation Store gift card from a retailer that accepts One4All. Check the One4All website to find participating retailers, either online or in store. Purchase a PlayStation Store gift card with the value of your One4All card. You'll receive a PlayStation Store code on the gift card or via email, depending on where you bought it. Return to the Redeem Code section on your PS4 and this time, enter the 12-digit code from the PlayStation Store gift card you just purchased. Confirm the code and the value of the PlayStation Store gift card will be added to your PlayStation Network wallet. Now you're ready to use those funds to purchase games, DLC, or anything else available in the PlayStation Store. Enjoy your gaming.